7. Evidence-informed practices to build a love of reading. Research on reading motivation shows that positive early reading experiences are strongly linked to long-term reading engagement, academic success, and comprehension. Children learn to love reading when it feels safe, meaningful, and enjoyable. Read aloud daily, even after they can read. Shared reading exposes children to richer vocabulary, stronger sentence structures, and positive reading experiences. Let children choose the books. Choice increases motivation, ownership, and willingness to engage with text. Stop before frustration sets in. Ending reading on a successful note builds confidence and positive association with books. Talk about stories. Don't quiz. Conversation builds comprehension and connection, while quizzing often increases anxiety. Model reading in daily life. Seeing adults read for pleasure normalizes reading as a meaningful activity. Reread favorite books. Repetition builds familiarity, confidence, and deeper understanding of language and story structure. Create a calm, predictable reading routine. Consistent routines help children associate reading with comfort, connection, and enjoyment. A love of reading grows through connection, consistency, and positive experiences, not pressure. Save this and choose one practice to try during your next reading time.